Good afternoon. I just want to give a short update before the FOMC statement tonight. For a more detailed view, please see the weekend video, in which I went over certain gyrations in length, starting with the dollar index. We are still looking at a number of three-wave moves, such as this and such as this down. So we could see something like an ending diagonal emerge still, which I went over already, or we could see a turn lower for a triangle as well. The bulls still seem to have it at this time. However, the gyrations are not clear. The candle 2 days ago is decent for an up move. We need to see this power through, however. The move on euro dollar is still open again. It essentially reflects the DX and has not been set up clearly yet. I do like the idea of a triangle. Otherwise, a move higher is open as well. Though ultimately one more low. I'm still looking for one more low beneath January, at least one more low. Pound seems to be in E of the triangle now, barring a breakdown. I'm looking for higher in this pair. We have had divergence, and it looks like the start of a move up towards 125 for the idea for it to turn over lower. And Aussie dollar has put in 5 waves into the low. So I'm looking for this to be a 3-wave move up overall, and then another move down for D of the try. So another low to come following this correction. And New Zealand dollar right now, I have this in W of larger Y, and we seem to have put in 3 waves so far. And I'm looking at this as part 4 and another low to come very soon too. New Zealand dollar remains very weak. There's some more interesting developments on euro pairs. Euro New Zealand is correcting. I can put 3 waves into this now. So I'll look for a 4th wave correction, maybe back to 4 of wave 3 here, somewhere in this region, for another turn higher. And also the same in, or a similar count in Euro Oz. I also have this as completed 5 waves, however. So a turn up higher, at least one more move higher is what I would like to see. Though if this is a larger situation, this could be a powerful wave 3 up. So I'm looking higher in this as well. So the 5 moves established here looks good for continuation. Aussie New Zealand, it appears to be very close to ending wave 3, though this could just be the first part of 5 of 3, so we could have 2 and a number of gyrations going up to see 3 head up a bit higher, and then we will be looking for another few gyrations more to complete the upward move towards here. So this remains very bullish still. Aussie New Zealand is bullish. New Zealand Canadian appears to be putting in a correction now. We've had 5 waves down of this move. There was 5 here, 3-wave correction, and we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move here. So a 3-wave correction of this is what I'm looking for at the moment, and then another move down. Towards 9100. Pound pairs I'm not dealing with right now. This is probably triangulating Pound New Zealand. And Pound Canadian dollar I'm not dealing with either. There's no bullish scenario here. If it does go up, it does go up, but there's been no impulsive work in order to set up a bullish trade. And Canadian pairs, I am looking for higher in US dollar Canadian still. If it does break down here, I'll be looking for this as an X wave. However, if it does impulsively decline and fails to break this high, I will recount this as I mentioned on the weekend. Though I would like to see higher on this still above 136 to 138. And Euro Canadian dollar, it's put in enough to complete Y of wave 2. So it will need to impulsively decline now. It has that option. Otherwise, maybe we could see a leading diagonal in here. So long as this current wave remains intact, this recent high, I'll be looking for this to move lower for this flat completed overall. And finally, gold. Gold may be triangulating here. 4y4 from the high, which would be A of this down move overall, and then another couple gyrations and a turn higher. So I will update probably tomorrow after the FOMC. Tomorrow is Bank of England rates, and I think there's some other stuff going on in the market as well. So, all right, good luck. Bye-bye.